Huzaifa says, what's up, buddy? He says, theoretically, if all the factors are the same, like structure, niche, target location, etc., will a site which only has a single super relevant link outrank the site which only has tons of tiered spam links? That's hard for me to tell. I honestly don't know. Because that's quite a, you know, theoretical question, like a specific situation. Honestly, I don't know. If it's one really good link from a really relevant source, that that kind of stuff, it likely will perform better than spam tiered links. But there's always, it depends. That's the standard SEO answer for every question is it depends, right? What types of tons of tiered spam links? Yeah, but are they relevant? Are they not relevant? Like if they're all relevant spam tiered links, but they're just on low quality sites and that kind of stuff, maybe it might still be able to rank well. Again, it's not a test that I've done, so I just really have no way of. That's just, it would be speculation on my part to even provide a guess, and I'm not going to do that just because I don't know. Um, I would rather get the one super relevant link than to spend a bunch of time and money on a bunch of spammed tiered links, because the bunch of spammed tiered links would need to be replenished frequently because they will be deleted and blogs that they're posted on get suspended. All that stuff happens with a lot of that kind of high volume link building stuff. But with one really super relevant link, that's likely going to be permanent. So I would rather have that. I stopped doing high volume links and spam links 4 years ago now, at least 3 years ago, but maybe even four. I just stopped it entirely. I don't do it at all anymore. So I think it's better to have links that are more permanent, that provide a lot more relevance and have higher value. And that's what I focus on now.